So when you hear about Forex trading, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Is it these types of screenshots that you always see on Facebook? Or is these types of houses and cars that influencers post on Instagram? Or worst case scenario, have you ever gotten someone coming to your inbox and claiming that they can double your money in 24 hours if you invest in them? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly what Forex trading is and how real traders make money, so that when you start thinking about doing Forex trading, you have the right information so that you can avoid any type of scam, and also you can get into the Forex trading industry in the right way. So, what is Forex trading? Well, Forex stands for foreign exchange, and it simply means buying and selling of currencies. So basically, you are betting that one country's currency is going to go up or down in value against another country's currency. So if you combine two currencies, they form what is called a currency pair. And a currency pair can be like Euro USD, which means you are comparing the euro against the United States dollar, or USD JPY, which means you are comparing the United States dollar to the Japanese yen. You probably have seen these types of charts in banks or buried change centers. Well, when these currencies go up and down in value, then traders can make money if they are involved in that market. Or to make it simple, you probably have heard about the stock market before, where you buy shares of a company, and if the company keep growing and the shares goes up in value, you earn money from your shares and your money is going to increase. Well, in Forex it's the same, but in the Forex market, you are buying and selling currency or money instead of stocks or shares. So how do you make money as a real Forex trader? Well, there are two ways to make money as a trader. The first one is to buy low and sell high. In other words, it's called going long or buying. On the other hand, you can also sell high and buy back low. It's also called going short. Okay, so let me break it down to you. If you are buying low and selling high, all what you are doing is you go to the market and you look into the chart, and then you predict that if the market is going to go up or down, or you can use news or fundamentals, whatever you want to do. So you are looking at a certain currency pair, you are looking at a certain market, and then you are predicting if from that point where the price is the price going to go up or is going to go down. If you predict that for any reasons of your analysis that the market is going to go up, what you do is you buy. So this is how you place the trade. So basically what you do is you go to this app right here. It's called MetaTrader 5. Right? You can also use many other apps, but I'm going to use this for an example. So this app is going to help you to buy or sell your currencies, right? So what you do is you create an account with the broker. I'm going to give you a video that explains that, but you create an account with the broker and then you connect that account to this app right here. So what we are going to do here is we are going to click here where it says new order, right? So we click here and then we are going to add what is called a lot size. A lot size is the size of the trade that you want to be placing. I'm going to explain more about that. So we are going to put a lot size right here. In this case, we have a small account, so we are going to put 0.05 and then we are going to click buy. So once we buy here, we're going to wait for a few minutes to see if the market is going to go up or go down. Now, on the other hand, if we had predicted that the market is going to go down, we could sell, right? So let's say, for example, from here, we also click sell and expect that the market is going to go down, right? From this point right here, if the market goes up, I'm going to be losing money. But if it goes to the downside, which I predicted by clicking sell, then I'm going to make money from this account. Now, basically, that's how you trade Forex. It's all about predicting if a currency pair is going to rise or fall, and then you place the trade according to your prediction. It's kind of like sports betting, but it's different because in this case, you are in control of when you want to enter, when you want to exit, and you are in control of what each trade can give you based on when are you going to enter and exit the market. So there's no odds, so it's different from sports betting. Now, for you to make good decisions and make money, you need to be able to analyze the market and see if the market is going to go up or down. You also need to understand the basics like the pips, the number of pips that the market have moved with, the lot size and everything like that. Now, to do that, it would be a very big video, but I do have that video. What you can do here is if you click a link in the description below, you're going to get a full 1-hour course and a free ebook that is going to help you understand Forex trading in detail. It's completely free. Check out the link in the description and get that book Now, also, if you want to get free trading signals, we have a WhatsApp channel. Also, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.